Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First things first, I want to apologize for disappearing for quite some time. I was actually at the retreat, so I couldn't film any videos over there. And then I had a lot of work to do and some traveling as well. But now I'm back and I do have a lot of content coming your way very soon. For those of you who are new here, welcome. Please stay tuned for the future videos. This is just an explanation of what's coming next. And hold on a second. Rewind. There's something wrong here. There. Let me take these off so you can see my eyes. I was actually going to go for a little workout, but I decided to do this mini video just to give you a little bit of an update of what's coming on this channel. I'll be showing some summer trends and how to wear them, as well as doing some spring recap, fashion event trends, their words, reviews, critiques. Apologies for the noise, guys. I'm outside, so I can't shut everyone up around me. I'll also be discussing how to take spring-summer trends into autumnal months. If you're interested in discussing that with me, please stay tuned for the future videos. Meanwhile, you can always comment under this video or my first video to tell me what you would be interested in seeing on my channel, or any questions you might have about fashion or style. So for all of these videos, please subscribe if you haven't already. Please hit that notification bell button. My schedule says Wednesdays and Sundays, but whenever I can, I'll be trying to upload another one on either Monday or Thursday. I'll be posting either a message or a mini video about that. Also, check out my social media. It will be linked down below. My Instagram and Twitter accounts will show a little bit of a different content from my YouTube channel. I love to read your comments and see my subscribers being active, so don't hesitate to share these videos with your friends who might like it. And it will also give me a very big inspiration to continue doing these videos and to give more content for you. So thank you so much for being subscribed, and if you're new here, thank you for watching this video, and I see you soon. Bye.